You're supposed to be as protective of her, even more so, actually, than her father was. Because your relationship with her actually even goes further. She's even the mother of your children. He appreciates her, he acknowledges her, he lets her know that she's beautiful. And a lot of men actually do the opposite. And they'll do that constantly putting her down, demeaning her value. Constantly putting her down in some way or the other. If the woman feels, stupid when she's around her husband, when she feels ugly when she's around her husband, when she feels valueless when she's around her husband, then he's not being a qawwam to her. This is what we have to be. You took her from her family. You took her from the protection of her parents. She had a wali, she had a father. And his job was to make sure she stays happy, safe, she's not insulted or humiliated, she's protected from all forms of abuse, physical, emotional, spiritual, all kinds of abuse. That was the father's role. And when you signed that nikah, and when you said you agree, then all of those roles were shifted over to you. You were supposed to be a shield around her.